All right, today, guys, we're going to be changing the map sensor on a 2001 Chevy Blazer. That's the 4.3 Vortec, which is a popular engine among these Chevy and GM trucks. The map sensor, that's the manifold pressure sensor, which is real easy to change. It's located right here. Gotta be careful on these because these kind of break easy. But I had this one in here before, so just unclip it. Wiggle it up. See that, guys? They break off real easy. So just be careful wiggling that up, like especially when you go to like the junkyard try to get these parts. Just be careful on wiggling them up. Like sometimes these parts you might want to buy new, unless you got some laying around, because they break real easy. So keep that in mind. So okay, today you just want to plug this, take the new map sensor, just plug that in. And press it right back down in that hole. It's that simple, guys. That simple to change it. Alright, so just be careful on taking that out. It may break off because those plastic pieces from the heat, and the pressure from the manifold, it dry out over time. So just keep that in mind. And when you go, like, it's best to get these parts new, like I said, or you go to the junkyard. And like if I would have used two hands, I could have wiggled it out, but I knew it was gonna break. They always break. So just keep that in mind. You just use two hands to wiggle it out, but I was trying to film, and I didn't care if I really break it anyway because I had another one. But yeah, guys, that's how you change the map sensor on a 2001 Chevy Blazer, the 4.3 Vortec. All right, so I'm going to end this video. Don't forget to comment, like, subscribe, hit that notification bell for future videos. And take care, guys. I'm out.